Hello students, myself is Shahrukh from St. Xavier Senior Secondary School, Hardoi. Today again here with a new video of class 9th physics chapter gravitation. So before starting our chapter, I would like to remind you that you all kindly subscribe our school channel and click bell icon for further notification. Okay, now come to the point, that is topic. So in this video today I will tell you how to calculate the value of small g. Small g is the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so we know the relation between small g and capital G, that is the formula is g is equal to small g is equal to capital G me upon re square. Here small g is the acceleration due to gravity and small me capital Me, that is mass of earth, whose value is 6 into 10 की power 24 kg. Re, the radius of earth, that is equal to 6.4 into 10 की power 6 meter. G is the universal gravitational constant, and the value of universal gravitational constant is 6.7 into 10 की power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Okay, so we know the formula. In this formula we can put all these values. When we will put all these values in the above formula, then we can get the value of small g. Okay, so small g is equal to 6.7 into 10 की power minus 11 Newton meter square kg power minus 2 into 6 into 10 की power 24. Okay, so this is the value of universal gravitational constant, and this one is the value of mass of earth. Re square, okay, that is the radius of earth. This is the value of radius of earth, 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 whole of a square. Okay, so now we have 6.7 into 6 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 की power 24. Okay, here we have written 6.7 into 10 to the power 6.7 into 6, and in one side all zeros are written. Then it is twice, that is a square, that's why I have written 2 times here. 6.4 into 6.4 into 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 6. Now what we have to do here, we will do that all the zeros means all the powers, that is 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 6. When these powers will go upside, then there will be minus. This power will be in minus form, like 10 की power minus 6, 10 की power minus 6. So first I would like to tell you that these powers, when the powers means when the signs are equal, then the powers will be added, and when the signs are unequal, then powers will be subtracted from each other. So first we will solve the powers like here minus 11, like minus 11, minus 6, minus 6, it will equal to minus 23 and plus 24. It means we get here plus 1. Okay, so the power will become here 10 to the power plus 1, that you are seeing here. Now point will be cancelled, and when this point will be cancelled, then 1 0 will be added here. Okay, now multiplying 66 into 60, that is upon 64 into 64. Okay, so we can cut here this, like 60, 2 3 is 6, and then 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, then it becomes 30. Again we can cut, it will be 16, then 15, 116. Now multiplying 67 into 15 into 10 to the power 1, that is the powers like 10 की power minus 23 into 10 की power plus 24. This will be equal to 10 to the power 1. So when we multiply this, we will get 1005 upon 1024 into 10 to the power 1. Okay, when we will solve it again, dividing 1001 by 1024, then we will get 0.98 into 10 to the power 1. Okay, now this will be this can be written as 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, hence we have calculated the value of small g, that is 9.8 meter per second square. The unit is same as the unit of acceleration. This is also called acceleration because this is the acceleration due to gravity, and that acceleration was simple acceleration. Now here I am going to tell you some questions. Like first question, I am going to tell you, give one way of calculating g at a place. Okay, means any one method you can tell that how you can calculate the value of g at a place. Okay, so by dropping, the solution is, I am going to tell you the solution by dropping an object from a known height and measuring the time of descent. Okay, then we can apply the second equation, that is second equation of motion is h is equal to ut plus half gt square. Then it will be u will be 0, then half gt square. This will be, from this equation we can measure. Second question, does the concentration of mass of earth near its center affect small g, that is acceleration due to gravity. Means acceleration due to gravity at the can be affected at the center. So the answer is no. Why? Because g is calculated by assuming the entire mass of earth to be concentrated at the center of a sphere. So students, I hope that you all got about it. Thank you.